I'm minding my business, and all of a sudden, these fucking vultures come from out of nowhere. They're fucking scaring my cats, and there's a piece of fish on my roof. Oh my God, this is crazy. I'm gonna get this bitch down because they're terrifying the cats. They're scaring me. They're flying. I thought it was a fucking eagle. Look at this bitch. Get the fuck out of here. Hold on, honey. I'm gonna stand on this. I think I can reach it. Hold on. I'm not gonna be able to reach it. Hold on. Woo! Okay. I'll take this stick right here. Woo! And that'll reach, but I need a hook. Okay, hold on. Hold on. I can see it right there. It's just out of reach. Just out of reach. Hold on. I still will be able to get it down. I see you, bitch. There's the fish. Is this gonna work? Who the fuck did this? I don't want it going in the gutter. I don't want it going in the gutter. I don't want it going in the gutter. Motherfucker. Hey! Look how beautiful they are, though. Jesus, they're gorgeous. You better back off, bird. Fuck a duck. Hold on. Let me see if I can get this. Hey. Fuck you. Hold on. I gotta get a ladder. These motherfuckers are dangerous. Vultures, man, they're starving. They got nothing to eat. Of course they're gonna be dangerous. Dangerous, so dangerous. Flipmo Squatty is dangerous. Yes, bitch. Hold on, let me get out of here. I gotta get the shit done anyway. I'm sitting around like a faggot, like I got nothing better to do. You better wake up, bitch. It looks terrible in here. I need to get this shit cleaned up. Where is my fucking ladder? All right, you know what? I am gonna get you. Hold on. Where's the fucking ladder? Is it back here? Let's see. Ah, watch out. There's a ladder, but it's not the ladder. There's a ladder. I forgot all about that. Oh, I gotta turn this off.